¿Sabe qué? Ey. Suéltala con toda tu bellaquera. Da la vuelta y bájala, ese trasero mata. Comienza el perreo de la raza. Sácatela y baila. El tema guasa guasa. Mira, ese burita pegadita. No eres rookie, tú te la quitas. Una chica y bien linda, retumbando sin perder el compa. Baby, trata, traca, ta, ta, ta. Se sale una y otra más.
All right, let's start with the intro right away. So, your intro is very short, just to get you started. And as soon as the music starts, all you're gonna do is fold your arms like so, and then you are just going to rock your head or nod your head yes 4 times. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna shake our shoulders, not shimmy it. Well, actually, if you wanna shimmy, you can. But for what I'm doing is I'm just taking my shoulder right, left, right, left, right, left. I'm rocking it, and then I'm just simply swaying my body side to side, whatever you want, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3. I wanted to say 1 and who at the same time, so it became woo. Anywho, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and an 8 to go. Whoa. So you're gonna go right, like you're calling for someone, and left, and then go right again, and then make it big to take it out. Okay, so you wanna go whoa, oh, oh, oh. Then we go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, and ready, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. That's your intro done. And then now we're gonna start onto the section 1. We only have one section on this one because we're gonna go, 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 and done, okay? Your first move, you're just gonna bring it right here, make it a fist. You're gonna bring it in front of you. All you're doing is think about you rowing a boat, okay? But only to one side. So you're gonna go row, hold it there. As you row, your foot is gonna take 1 foot forward. Whichever elbow is up, that foot is forward. And you're gonna take your hips and sit it down, 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 down 4 times, okay? So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Actually, I'm also pushing it up, so I'm going diggy, 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 diggy. The hit is on the down, though, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Your hand's already on the fist. The same leg that is in the front, you're gonna tap it to the side, and then we're gonna go like a bob and weave. Kind of like bob and weave, how we do in kickboxing, but in dance, a billy bob. So you're gonna go bob, he, ta, ta. I like to bend my knees, and I like to tap. If you want, you can take it low. Your hands are kind of like you're holding a shopping bag and lifting it up, okay? So you're gonna go 4 times, so each side. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Here, your hand, then we're gonna go single. I'm gonna call that double, and this is gonna be single to go single, 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 single. My hands are doing the same thing, but it's kind of like swinging, 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 swinging. Now, when you do single time, it's a little faster than the double, so you don't have time to do a tap. So what you have to do is just tap, 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 tap. Flat foot, okay? All right, let's put all of that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Go single, 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 single. The sun is hitting me each time I come this side. It's actually, the sun is setting. It looks really nice. I love sunsets and I love nature, so. Okay, anywho, where was I? Drill me back. All right, cool, we got that. So we have ta-ga-da-ga-da-ga-ta, do-ta, 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 single, 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 single. We got it? Let's move on. We're going to put our hands right onto our hips. Imagine you're holding your belt, and I'm simply going 2 hip circles to the left, okay? You can do whichever direction you feel more comfortable. And you know what? Every time I teach hip circles, a lot of people are kind of like, cute, okay? I know you're shy sometimes, but trust me, the hips, once you get it flowing and moving and mobilizing, it feels so free. Whether you're dancing, doing anything in your life, especially in dancing, it really feels free. So don't be shy. Just go for it. We're going to put our hands right here in the belt. We're going to go 2 hip circles, but I'm also kind of like right, ade, ade, ade. I'm hitting to the each direction, side to side while rotating. Okay, we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Put your hands just like this. Imagine this is a stick. You're holding a stick, but flat like so. Hands are flat, and then you're gonna take your hips and make it a rainbow over the stick and down, rainbow over the stick and down. 2 times. My hands are also going back and front, back and front. When my hands are going back, my foot is coming forward or my knee is going forward. Also, I'm going on my toes. My heels are up. So it has move. It has room to move. We got that? Okay. So we go from the hip circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands are here. We're going to bring it down to the thighs like so. And then all we're going to do is take it to the 2 back, 2 back, a 2 back, 2 back. Okay, I know 2 back sounds repetitive, but look. Tap, 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 tap. That's all it's doing. My knees are going out, 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 out. For this next move, this is the same foundation, so just learn it as much as you can right now. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I also like to push my shoulder, boom, ha, along with my knees. 7, 8, go 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yes? Now from here, your next move is a similar thing. We're gonna put our hands on our hips, bend your knees as low as you can. You're gonna take, all you're doing is, now usually your turns are in the front, right? But this turn is to the back. So as you do that, so in order for you to do that, it's easier, trust me. We're gonna go tap, 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 tap. Halfway come to 4, and then 4, ta, ta, ta. Take the other 4 to come to the front. All you're doing is opening that knees out, 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 popping that chest. So on your toes, plant the other foot. The foot that is in the middle, plant it. The foot that's outside, you're gonna open, close on your toes. Let's try. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we got it. Okay, now the next move, this song only is section 1. We only have section 1 for the whole thing, so everything's going to be together. You're going to put your hands up like this, and we're going to shake our hips, going click, 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 side to side, okay? You can either hit it as hard as you want, or you can just kind of be cute with it, whatever you want, okay? We're going to go do that to the front, turn around, do that to the back. Yes? 4 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then your hand's already here. You're gonna bring it to the front. You're gonna pull it 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left, and single, single, single 4 times. Yes, okay. So now, how do we do this? We're gonna get low on our knees again, and watch my foot. My heel is going out, out, switch, out, out, switch, out, out, switch, out, out. Yes? So we wanna go 1, 2, and when you're going your heel out, your hips is already popping in automatically. So you're gonna take the hand and hit the hips, you know? 5, 6, get low. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, single, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. That's all it is. Let's do everything from the top, from the intro, and then we're gonna do it with music. But let me give you one more thing before the music, okay? All right, let's do it from the intro. Oh, I'm sweating. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, give me 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, single, 5, 6, 7, hips go. 1, 2, 3, 4, give me 5, 6, 7, double time. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, go circle to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the left, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hips go. 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, go. 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, pull. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, single, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay, nice. Now, the next part is really not a section. All I wanted to say was that there's a part where it literally says, Dame muévelo. It's Spanish. I love Spanish. I don't know what it is about Spanish language. Everything that they say sounds really, really good. And I have visited a lot of Spanish-speaking countries, and they are the nicest people and super fun people in the world. So I love Spanish. Anywho, the song is saying, hey, move it, let's shake it, let's dance, hey little thing, do your thing, shake it. You know what I mean? So in that part, you can do anything you want. All I want you to do is kind of like let loose and move your hips, remember? This is kind of like creating freedom on that hips. So use that. I'm simply gonna go whoo and a diggy dee dee and a he and diggy dee dee. I'm gonna do these moves so you can pick whatever you want. Okay, I think we're ready for the music. Ooh, the sun's setting even more. It's getting dark, but it's not dark for us, right? We gotta do it with music. Hold on one sec.
Mira, mírame, ey, oh, 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 Miguelito, ¿sabe qué? Ey, suéltala con toda tu bellaquera, da la vuelta y bájala, ese trasero mata. Comienza el perreo de la raza, sácatela y baila, el tema guasa guasa. Ese burita pegadita, no eres rookie, tú te la quitas. Una chica y bien linda, retumbando sin perder el compa. Baby trata, traca, ta, ta, ta. Se sale una y otra más. Saca, sácatela, empezó el revolú y vamos allá. Suéltala con toda tu bellaquera, da la vuelta y bájala, ese trasero mata. Comienza el perreo de la raza, sácatela y baila, el tema guasa guasa. Hierba Blanco, fumándolo un rato, baby yo no alcanzo, en la nube me quedo toda la noche. Baby traca, ta, ta, se sale toda la nalga de la minifa. Saca, sácatela, empezó revolú y vamos a suéltala con toda tu bellaquera, da la vuelta y bájala, ese trasero mata. Comienza el perreo de la raza, sácatela y baila, el tema guasa guasa. Ziquiza, wow.
Ey, mami, baby, muévelo. Dame esa cosita, baby, trégalo. Le gusta reggaetón y le gusta un poco reggae. Le gusta el gordito porque tiene poco pegue, baby, dame más. Yo sé que a ti te gusta por detrás. Ese matala como cenar. Hacemos una movie, lo que quieras, tú la dueñas.
Suéltala con toda tu bellaquera, da la vuelta y baja, jala ese trasero, mata. Comienza el perreo de la raza, sácatela y baila el tema guasa guasa, si quizá